and today I'm here with a little bit strange video perhaps.
Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same? Well, maybe we could change.
One of the reasons why I love having YouTube channel so much is that it pushes me to do things that I wouldn't usually expect myself to do. I love pushing myself out of my boundaries, out of my comfort zone. For example, I can't ride a bicycle, but I did want to have bicycle shots for my first, or like one of my first lookbooks. I was training for days to just get those like 10 seconds. Another example is that I was so scared of butterfly conservatory. I envisioned it to be something almost horror movie like. Butterflies just cover you completely, and that is not how it is at all. It was so worth it to push myself to do that. It was a beautiful day. There's just tons and tons of examples. Every time I film thrifting with me, I have to deal with my social anxiety, and there is so much more that I want to push myself to do. Just like in everyday life, there is always something, and I thought that if I push myself and do those things and film it, I might inspire you guys to do something you've been longing to do for a while. If you need a sign, this is the sign. In this video, all the things that I'm going to do are going to be more or less beauty related, and this is why I call it changing my appearance. It is not going to be anything drastic, but these are the things I wanted to do for a long time. I was either forgetting to do them or I couldn't do them for whatever reason. I'm going to take you along for all of these adventures. I will mentally imagine that you're holding my hand when I'm too scared of doing something. If you are too scared to do something, imagine that I'm holding your hand, because I do. I support you in whatever you need to accomplish. I'm sure you can. You have all the strength you need inside of you. You just have to believe in yourself. Right now I'm going to go, but I will see you in a couple of seconds. It's going to be another day and a start of a new adventure. Hi there, and it's next morning. I'm running to my hair appointment right now. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of a bunch of this hair today, and I'm really excited. A little bit nervous, especially because I want to film there. I'm wearing this orange blouse today and just this ripped jeans and my sandals. Nothing too crazy. I usually don't dress up or don't do any makeup when I go to my hairdresser, but I figured I will do at least something. Guess I will see you when I get there. Let's do it.
Yeah. We'll find our place in this living chain. We're quite the same. Yeah, life's a foolish, foolish game. Life's a foolish.
I decided to go to Patsy's Pinups Beauty Parlor in Albany, which is a beautiful retro style hair salon. Hi, I have an appointment. Hey guys, this is Buffy.
Hello.
Your nickname is Hair the Slayer, right?
Yes, it's my last name.
I love
so
that.
I go by Buffy Hair Slayer.
So you're gonna slay my hair today. Yeah. I'm finally back home from this beauty parlor. It feels so weird. I really like the color Buffy made for me. It is a gorgeous color. Overall, I just feel so unfamiliar with being this blonde. Buffy said that it is normal, that I should just give it a couple of weeks and see how I feel after that. I do have a feeling that I will get used to this. Thank you for coming with me today. It felt really good to have you there. See you in several seconds on my next mission.
We are the spirit to which we pray for all things beautiful.
Hi there, I don't know if you can tell, but some time has passed. This video is actually taking me much longer than I anticipated. I apologize about that. But today I'm finally here to share my second personal challenge with you, which was whitening my teeth. I'm really excited to tell you all about my experience. I wanted to whiten my teeth ever since I started making videos. I haven't really thought of that before that point, but I remember how me and my family would always see these incredibly white teeth of different actors and actresses in movies, and we would call them Hollywood smiles. I always loved them, but I never really expected to have one of those. I do drink a huge cup of coffee every morning, and I drink a cup of tea before bed every evening pretty religiously, so my teeth were definitely pretty stained after years of doing that. And I also used to smoke before. I don't now, but I'm sure it also had an impact. I'm going to show you before and after pictures next to each other, and you can definitely tell that my teeth maybe were not terribly yellow, but they were definitely stained, and right now they look so much better. I wanted to do whitening at home, and I asked my dentist what I could use, and she recommended like those regular Crest whitening strips, and I tried those. They always felt uncomfortable, and because of that it was kind of hard to be consistent and keep using them, and as a result of that I couldn't really see any changes, so I completely gave up on that at some point. But this summer I was contacted by the company called Smile Brilliant, and they offered me to try their whitening kit. It definitely looked more serious and more promising right off the bat, but because of that it also seemed kind of scary. Let me just show you what this kit looks like, and you might understand why I was so scared at first. So it comes in this box, you open it like this, and this is what inside looks like. And these guys over here are syringes. I actually have some opened ones and I'm going to show you them. This is what syringes look like. But what really grabbed my attention is the fact that they customized trays just for you. All I had to do was just following some pretty simple instructions, grabbing these plastic trays over here, mixing these couple of things, which is base and catalyst, creating a little putty. Put this in my mouth, create impressions, and once they were dry I just sent them in prepaid envelope using my mailbox. And about a week later I had my own personalized custom trays that looked just like my teeth. They came in this little plastic box. They're just these very flexible and transparent impressions of my teeth. They're so comfortable, they don't move around like regular whitening strips. I can literally wear them for hours without even noticing. I can just watch TV, talk to my husband, maybe even take a shower, pretty much do whatever I want to do except of eating and drinking. And these syringes I just showed you are not scary at all. They're so convenient to use. One is the actual whitening gel and the other one is desensitizing gel, which is super cool because I definitely consider my teeth relatively sensitive, and this was of course one of my main concerns. Will it hurt? Will it make me uncomfortable? Will it make me feel like it's not really worth it? If you have sensitive teeth as well, I'm sure you understand the way I felt. After all consideration, I decided I will give it a shot and I'll just be very careful. I really like the idea of being able to share one of these whitening kits with you because they also offered me a giveaway for you guys. I will tell you how to enter it in just a second, and you should definitely enter it. You should definitely try and win this kit because it's so awesome. Smile Brilliant promised me that they will contact one of you guys. They will make sure that you get your prize and all of that jazz. But of course, before agreeing to this and creating a giveaway, I wanted to make sure that this is safe and this actually works. At first, before you create your own trays and before you actually start doing this whitening thing on a regular basis, it might seem overwhelming and complicated. It definitely seemed to me, but I promise you that it is not that hard at all. It comes with a very detailed instructions, and they have great customer service. You can contact them and ask them any questions. They will take you through the whole process if they need to. You should not worry about anything. I was worrying about every single thing while I was doing it, and now I can definitely see that that was stupid. If you want to whiten your teeth and see actual results that last and that look really nice, this is definitely worth it. I feel so much more confident ever since I started using Smile Brilliant. Confidence is something I seek in pretty much every single day because that's just who I am. You don't really have to feel the same way, and maybe you have like your other reasons why you want to whiten your teeth. It wasn't something I was thinking about all the time. I would film a video and I would be editing it and I would just be distracted by my own teeth. I know it's probably stupid, but it's just something I wanted to change. And so I would get crazy with color correction, hoping that that would fix it. I also couldn't really experiment with different lipstick shades, just because I knew that certain shades would make them look even worse. And yet today I'm wearing this pretty much bright orange lipstick and it still looks okay. I am so happy about it. I've been whitening for a couple of weeks now, on and off, because I was being extra cautious. I pretty much saw real results almost right away. I think it was after my third whitening session when I filmed my favorites video, and I looked at that footage and I went, wow, that's crazy. And my goal wasn't really to have snow white teeth. I wanted it to still look natural, and that's definitely something that Smile Brilliant can guarantee you. Like, I'm already satisfied with an outcome. I think I'm going to keep using my kit for a little touch-ups every once in a while. You know, I still am drinking my coffee, I still am drinking my tea. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel and my Instagram. The link to my Instagram is in the description, and you will find the link on the giveaway page in the description as well. You'll have to click on that giveaway link, leave your name and your email address in order for somebody from Smile Brilliant contact you, and then Smile Brilliant will pick one person from that giveaway page and send him or her the whitening kit. I know it's a little bit random, this whole video is a little bit random probably, but if you're watching, I'm really grateful because this meant a lot to me to be able to do this, and I want to help one of you guys to do this as well, because the kit is pretty pricey, not everybody can afford it. This pretty much concludes my second personal challenge, and we have just one more left, and you will see me in a second and I'll bring you to our last location. See you soon! Hi there! Today I'm going on my third and last mission, which is getting piercing. I don't want to talk too much because this video is already pretty long. The only thing I want to say is that I'm really nervous and hopefully it goes okay. I am going thrifting first and I'm filming that, so next time you see me when I go to Needleworks, I'm probably going to be very tired. I'm sorry about that, but I just had to squeeze it all in one day. Yeah, I'm basically going to see you in a couple of seconds and we're going to get this done.
2 days later.
And of course, by the time I arrived there on Friday, they already stopped making piercings for a day. So it's 2 days later, it's Sunday, and we're going to go there again and give it a shot and hopefully finally make it done. Also, I'm wearing this cute, entirely thrifted outfit today, and I thought maybe I'll try and make some pictures after we're done. Also, don't pay attention to my carpet, I know I need to vacuum in my studio.
Standing here alone today, a thumb within my head is brewing. I really couldn't ever say what it could end up doing. It could make me reach for the stars or sink into the depths of the ocean. Sometimes I wonder why I end up doing what I'm doing.
Hi there, I am back home and I finally made it. It was definitely a little bit painful, but it is worth it because they look so cute. I'm in love with these little white stud earrings. I think they're perfect for me, even though they were a little bit more expensive than just the regular shiny studs. I just don't really like those at all, and these ones are so cute and matte and white. But yeah, I think the place was pretty great, and the girl who helped to make this happen was really sweet. I don't actually know what her name was. I feel kind of bad about that. Even though I was scared, she made me feel like everything is going to be okay. We also made some pictures downtown. Now I'm definitely really tired. I want to go and eat our Greek takeout. My changing appearance quest is over and I've accomplished every single step of it. Thank you so very much, guys, that you were there for me. All of these things meant something to me. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to click like, click subscribe button and leave me comments down below. Also, please don't forget to enter the giveaway giveaway on the giveaway page. I really want you guys to win the whitening kit. I will see you in the next video, which is going to be a thrift haul very soon. I love you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. I feel great after talking to you. Bye!